Jack Dorsey was tweeting some stuff like 2 or 3 weeks ago that I thought was super cool. And so Jack Dorsey's tweet, which I thought was great, was like this underlying assumption that hierarchically organized companies are the way that we should be organizing like our economic units of value. And I think AI basically breaks that. But I think that is actually a broken way of thinking about AI. The thing that's really stuck with me is this idea of like extracting the domain knowledge from your company and defining it as like context or a set of skills or whatever you want to call it. But like this idea that there's domain knowledge or business knowledge or like some know-how that's inside the heads of people and in Slack messages and in emails and in Notion, all of this like information together defines how your company works. And if you can make that legible, you suddenly can move from this hierarchical organization to a sort of intelligent AI-powered organization with AI native software. But I think you can reimagine what a company is as a set of recursive, self-improving AI loops. I think this is really, really, really important because when it gets there, I think the company starts to self-improve. And if you can run every single step of that without human intervention, with minimal human intervention, your system gets better and better and better while you're sleeping. The aha moment for me came when we put a monitoring agent on top of that, which looked at every single query every single YC employee was doing and saw when it worked and when it did not work. And when it did not work, it's like, oh, why not? For me, that was like the holy fucking shit, right? That's not just AI making you 20 or 30% more valuable. It is the AI going through this loop to figure out how to self-improve. I think middle management is done. I just don't think you need middle management for this coordination problem. I think AI should be doing it. It would make the entire organization legible to AI. What does that mean? It means you've got to record everything. Simplistically, all of our partner emails now, if you email a YC partner, that email is in the YC database. Every Slack message, every DM, every office hour we've started recording for the last 3 or 4 months. Every single thing that happens, if it is recorded, it happened to the AI. If it did not get recorded, it did not happen to your intelligence.